Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how we can climb into this skyscraper in Skate 4. It's called Pivot or something like this. So right here, go to this curb right here. I'm going to climb right here and show the map. So I'm right here. So just go quickly right here, jump it with X or A, and to climb it, you can go like this and just try clicking it. But there's other trick how you can climb this. Just go right here to the grass and hold it like this. On this grass pole, it is easier to climb. So as you can see, we are speed running and going fast right here. Just make sure with your left analog stick, go with to the one side and to the other. So that's how your character can jump. As you can see, it's not that hard to do. Just climb like this. And here set a session marker if you fall down accidentally. And right here, just go and jump it on here. Now you'll need to run a couple rounds right here. So it is not that hard. You can even ride a skateboard. Let's do it. And right here, just climb it. And right here, you will be able to start a mission. So if you can't start it right here, climb it right here, and you will be able to successfully start the mission. So that's pretty much it, guys. Comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.